Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Oh, see if we can't make it back today. Good morning, G-Man. How you been? Good morning, me. How are you? Emma, Lib, Danny, MJS, Medman, Adrian, Thomas, David. How we doing? Been busy with work. Feel like that's all I've done for the past. So I was running behind again this morning, but I should not be late another day. I just been working on stuff. Should not be late for a while. So. Ended up making some money yesterday, so I'm definitely paying myself today. Probably pay myself like 3K or so. Nice. You got your Apex accounts back. To shed some layers. Share the live for me real quick. I'll give someone a free account if we do it fast. Get everyone in here. Let me know if you share or repost. It'll be a Tradeify growth. 50K growth. You're welcome. I'm gonna do my best to give us a quick work day today. Got a pounding headache. I think it's just where I've not had a whole lot of sleep lately and just been working on this project I got going. A lot of screen time. Good morning, everyone. I'm watching this Asia Low Reject. So, watching Asia Low Reject. Appreciate it, Daniel. Did everyone share the live? I was going to give an account away real quick. Repost, share it. Let's get it going. Good morning, Tiffany. Good morning, Kimber. Kim, I say Kim. See. Sorry to hear that, Ryan. Hope all goes as well as possible, man. Appreciate you checking in. All right, who shared the live when I asked it a minute ago? I want to see. Border gas. Border gas. You can have one account. You have to DM me on Instagram. Actually, you can DM me on TikTok, Border. That's fine. Just make sure you DM this uh TikTok because there's all kinds of fakes. I only have one. Appreciate it, everyone. I'm gonna go. I'll probably give away some more accounts later. I'm not gonna aggravate everyone about sharing all day. I'm just gonna trade and make her bag, then work on something else. I got that bot I built taking trades working properly. Now I just have to let it run for a bit. The Python one, yeah. This is not for TradingView. It runs off. Did Robinhood just take away the PDT rule money? That's going to be interesting. I think, here's my opinion. I think with the 24, whatever options trading they're adding, the PDT rule gone, it could change the Asia session. It could, yeah. I think that would be I mean, that's only me guessing here, but if I had to guess, I would say there'd be a lot of change come to it. Be a lot more volume. Could mess it up for some of you all. I don't know. Good morning, Thomas. How you doing? Yeah, that's kind of unfortunate, MJS. At least we're not going to hit it right off the open, I don't think. That's the only. Uh, Ryan, I feel that, man. All right, it's time. I got to talk to Team Bull for a bit. All right, Team Bull, let's do this. Good morning, everyone. You around, Jaden?
Oh yeah, what's good, dog?
What's up? What's an Asia low for a possible short entry, everyone? Up around VWAP Asia low area. Hopefully, it just doesn't rip up to it off the open.
Up at like 350.
Yep, 352 to 360s.
All right.
Pounding headache I'm trying to deal with, so I don't see
Me
this.
that. I was surprised you got on.
Yeah, I'd just be laying in bed if I didn't. It's a lie. I'd be outside. All right.
Let's get it, y'all.
Quite a bit of volume on that previous.
Game time. What are you saying?
The thing is, quite a bit of volume on that previous candle.
Oh. This is your daily reminder, everyone tuning in to trade.
All right. So, what data news do we have? Good morning, Ashley. Good morning, Squirt Scott or Quiet Skirts. Ken. Good morning. What a what a real. I'm not sure what I said. We'll just pretend it didn't happen. Good morning. All right. Watching Asia Low, everyone. That's the first setup I like. Could happen the earliest. Other than that, I'm going to watch the 15-minute range as always. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. What is it? What about for a headache? I missed what you said. How effective has a 15-minute range orb been for us lately? There was a streak there. It just wasn't working. But it's been doing well the last couple weeks. Appreciate it, Benjamin. Some peppermint oil. I think I just need a good day of rest. I haven't been sleeping much, working on stuff, been staying up late. Need some rest. Maybe a vacation would help. Just reset. Just like Ryan was saying, it's about time. What a candle. It's going to be half body, half wick. Nice look. Hope you have a good vacation in August. That's right. I believe they extended a sale, didn't they, Honda? If anyone's going to get some Apex accounts, I think the 90% off sale is still going. If you use code Grizzly, you can go to grizzlytrades.com for the link. As always, I appreciate everyone that uses code Grizzly. I don't make any money streaming these live. I just hang out. I make money from trading with you all, my affiliates, Grizzology, but nothing from just being here. Just so that's clear. I want everyone to know this is free game. What is it? Oh, there's a bot, man. You got it. That's quick. Trading on vacation in Florida. Be careful. I made one big mistake once doing that. I don't think I'll ever discuss it, but I made a big mistake once. Uh, just be careful. Don't ruin your vacation trying to. We watching this, Jada? Massive candle up.
I hate trading the first 15. I mean, I definitely see, smelling what you're stepping in.
Yeah, just a massive push up here. I would love just to rip some shorts here, but I have to be patient.
Rip it.
Yeah, there it prints. Instantly
Just
sells
goes
off.
below a day.
Yeah. Wait a second. That previous candle had negative delta. Let me see. Is that what you're saying? Got to look at this one. All right. Chart work. I think I broke it. There we go. It's showing plus 424 for me.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's about that time, guys. We've been on a nice win streak. I don't plan on stopping it anytime soon.
That reject. Jeez.
Would have been a nice 40 points so far.
I wish I had hit it off the first 5-minute candle, you know.
No, he couldn't even wait for like 10 minutes in. No. It's like, yup, we're gonna rip it 5 minutes in.
Grizzly's watching this. Let me rip it.
Less than 5 minutes in.
All right. About just to give me a little FOMO. Trying to.
Isn't that the worst when it just hits your level right off open?
Yep.
But at the same time, basically, you could have seen it touch up here and then rip up to 400 and stop you out in about 2 minutes, you know?
Yeah, it's very true. Very unpredictable first 15 minutes. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. If you have any questions, please drop them in the chat here. Plenty of time to discuss it. 100% free one-on-ones here, basically. So, good morning, Shazo. Lance, everyone. I wouldn't be opposed to a break above and retest of the Asia low for a long entry today either. Be fine. Be nice if the 15-minute range lined up with it for orb. Just chill out.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
We could just kind of like top right around here, head back down to that range, and then build our way back up, retest, boom, hit pre-market high.
Yeah,
that'd be great.
A nice high volume breakout candle too.
That'd be great. That would be just great. Let's see.
All right. Let me know if you start to take something. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mal from NC. Jordan, Joy Man, how you doing? Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every single morning. Every morning. Unless I'm stranded in Florida. Is Nick not around this morning? One of the Nicks? Yeah, I see. He's just not commented in a while. He's here. And my trade of 8 timed out and logged me off. Love it. Oh, what happened there? Bullocks, I sent you that account, right? Did you look on Instagram? I don't see it on there. I thought I gave you one. You have to message me again. That's unfortunate.
Come. I know. Look at that freaking move, bro. Almost 100 points.
Yeah.
Correction, at 100 points from BWAP.
Man, that was just it too. That was the main level I was watching.
These team bulls, everyone freaking sleeping in chat. Where are y'all at?
They're making too much money. They're just getting. They're like, yeah, right. We want to make more.
Everyone's sleeping. Kind of wakey wakey. There we go. Waiting for banger. We'll see. Hopefully we can catch it. That's the goal today. That's the mission we're on. Not stop until we get there. Actually, that's not true. I will stop if need be, but I'm gonna do my best not to stop.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna rip down.
Yep, all the way to low day.
Yep.
I'm gonna get the setup I wanted.
Well, Team Bull, did anybody take it in the chat at least? Posted it in the Team Bull chat earlier before the live. I may have to adjust my settings on the volume footprint on TradingView. So if anybody has any solid settings you'd like to share. Seems people were getting negative 420 on that one candle. I was getting positive.
Oh my gosh, we're about to low day, bro.
Yep.
That would have 100% been a banger. How about the Knicks? The Knicks play great. Jalen Brunson's a dog. You can't take that away from him.
Oh,
It's not a 2-bar if it goes up, actually.
see what happens at this pre-market low area, everyone. That could possibly be a bounce if we do the sweep, high volume reversal, reclaim, We'll see what happens. I'm not set either way here. We'll just see what we get in this key area. See if we get, what confirmation we get, which way it's pointing us towards. I'm gonna switch this to retest. Can you all see the screen? Hear me well? Just want to make sure we're good in case we catch a trade. Awesome. Good to know. Just waiting on a trade here, everyone. I would love to have all of you inside Grizzology. My indicator comes with a community chat, all that good stuff. If you'd like to check it out, go to grizzlytrades.com. I think nice. You should have Captain Chaos. If you signed up yesterday for Grizzology, you should have got a message. Could be in your support chat DM, but you should have got a message that walks you through the setup completely, step by step. If you can't find it, Captain, just DM me. I'll send it right over to you. Okay. It's got some time on this candle, everyone. This may be the push back up. We'll see. Danny, have to see what the delta's looking like here. Or someone, well, whoever. Welcome in. Make sure you hit the follow. Go live every single morning. Did anybody get any take profit accounts yesterday? We should be getting to where we get the free 50K accounts, hopefully by next week. I'll give them away. 150K will be next. Let's see here. We got speakers today. Nice. D, appreciate it. Everybody use the Take Profit. Use code Grizzly in my link in my website so we can get those free accounts, please. High volume, a decent candle, more volume, but basically flat delta. So could go either way here.
No, I did not. I don't have a Series 7. Nope. 465. Because if your goal is to, if you're going to work for a fund or you're going to manage people's money, then that's obviously uh, necessary. But also, there's a lot of regulation that comes with that too, and having those licenses. I haven't completely brushed it off one day to have, but not currently. No. Not taking any trading here, guys. Just gonna wait, guys. Stay patient. Woosah! Don't forget to breathe. As silly as that can sound sometimes. Let's see here.
Oh. Get us out of this range, you know? Oh, nice. The surveyor called me back about my land. Finally. The last surveyor I tried to hire to survey my property I have, they just ghosted me. So, what I've been dealing with, you can't find anyone to do anything anymore, seems like. I waited 6 months, Sosa, and they ghosted me. So, I haven't taken the trade yet. We're just waiting. The Asia Low was my favorite setup for a reject, but it hit too early in the day. Hit off the first 5 minute candle. So I had to set that out. Now I'm just being patient and waiting on a very clear trade to present itself to us. Very clear trade. Nice, Christian. Glad you made a bag. CMS, I'm 280 from a payout. One small trade today, and tomorrow I can lock up a payout. Nice. Then let's be a little extra picky then. A little more pressure there. I want him to reach the payout. What do you all think the best setup is today, right now? If you had to pick one, what would it be on NQ? All right. Sorry about that. Could some of you all answer the question I put in the chat here on YouTube? How about some of the people? I had someone ask me why I dropped that. I think we just have the speaker shows though. Welcome in. We got a divergence with ES Alexander. Hmm. We could look for a double top here at this Asia low area. That would be possible. Not our usual setup, but we could get another candle, a nice candle like this, you know? I don't know. It's just my thoughts. Think it may hit VWAP and just reject. See anything. I was hoping we have a quick work day, but it's just going to make us wait around all morning, huh? It's all right. I ended my day yesterday at 800 and something. Did you all see that? I ended up taking 3 trades. The last trade I took was with one NQ. One NQ. You having a morning for yourself, Lil? Nothing wrong with that. Nice. I was finally about to get out of this range. We're just gonna trick it and bounce back up, reject a couple more times.
Oh yeah.
What's up?
They'll teach you up. What?
What's up?
Oh, nothing. Just looking for some trades and just
Let's just we get out of this range.
wasn't definitely wasn't picking on Gene.
Bro, Gene. Tell him grass is greener in Tennessee.
This midline printed here. On typical reversal candles, I just like to see us have like an aggressive candle with a wick like this. I like to see
All right, finally, everyone. Are you talking to me, Will? Or did I talking to him? I'm confused. But yes, I will be. I know that. I know me. I'm just messing with Jada and Gene. Well, what are we thinking here? We gonna try shorts? We push back up? Let's talk about it. Are we going to? I don't want to sweep this pre-market low, then try it though. What do you think? If we sweep that pre-market low, we may pick up enough orders just to rip through this, right? What we got down there on Bookmap? Corey, you're gonna make it me want to come more if you make me want to come to Florida even more so. Well, we did exactly what I didn't want to happen, everyone. We pre-market low. This most definitely did not give us an entry either way, huh? No, Dome. It's all right. We still got plenty of time this morning. No rush. I haven't bought any. Is it available yet? Oh, you can now request SpaceX IPO shares on Robinhood. Everyone, let me tell Team Bull.
Yeah, 2 bar.
You can
Looks like
Jaden, you can get the space. You can request SpaceX shares on Robinhood now. The IPO. Just seen it.
really
Yeah,
not buying it.
not doing it.
Nope. I'll wait. I mean, typically with those IPOs, you see a retracement at some point, so you'll see some. You might see an initial pop, but I like letting price settle and then.
I'm gonna buy some for sure. So 100 shares is saying is 16,200.
This actually looks like a decent reversal candle, guys. So this is if we close.
I just don't feel like this is one I want to miss. This is not a. Danny, what's the delta on this? Or anybody that has that pulled up? We got 17 seconds. Yeah, it's one of the biggest IPOs ever. Very. I'm not in the trade. I'm watching. Reading price action currently. I'm not seeing this move here, though. I'm not seeing the reasoning behind the move up. Don't. It's a more aggressive of a push up than it should have been, from what I see. I don't know. Maybe it's just getting some buyers in on this candle here. You got the daily EMA. I don't use dailies. I'm watching. We're still gonna catch a trade. We just gotta wait. If you're crushing it in chat, I'm happy for you. It doesn't match my plan. So 160 something, Bill. Nice, Alexander. Nice, White Walker. I'm gonna watch this Asia low again. I want to see what happens up there. That's where point of control is. So that was an expensive phone call for sure. Hopefully, it was beneficial. You done for the day? Oh, you caught shorts earlier? No. You catch the Asia low reject? Is that what you took? If you have any questions, drop them in chat. VWAP could be a possible short entry, but I'd like to see a little higher up. Still don't. I'm not convinced we're going to break above Asia low yet. Oh, I thought it was just a. Hold on 1 second. I want to see something here. 300. Well, come on, Ink. You do something here for us. Take him easy. It's TFS. He's in here every day. What do you mean? Telling you, I don't see Long. I don't see Long as a playwright yet. You wonder how valid his opinion is? I mean, everyone's opinion's valid in the chat here. It's just the people that have experience with it. Um, just always have to fact check, you know? Everything, always fact check. Now, I don't think opinions are valid if people don't have experience with what they're talking about. That's my thought. Thank you, Maggie. Let's just do a quick eval giveaway for someone that shares the live right now. All you gotta do is share it, repost it. Thank you. Did anybody share it on YouTube? Anybody? Didn't see if I couldn't see if you were sharing there or not. So bouncing the fair value gap. Appreciate it. Well, is it Honda? It has been a while, so it's time. Your time has come for another free account. It'll be a Tradeify one though. Just message me, all right? Let me know. Thank you for sharing, everyone. I picked someone on TikTok earlier this morning, so why I picked from YouTube this time, but I may do another one on TikTok too. I'm muted in Team Bull. Shows I'm muted. You want me to give it to someone else, Honda? You sure? Liv, you can have one. Liv, how's that? Just DM me on IG. I had to pick someone from that side, San Jose Barber. Only place I'm really interested in a reject would be up at the Asia low. Hope it's not the low volume climb up day. The worst types. Excuse me. Yeah, the worst types, in my opinion. Please hit the follow. Go live every morning. Will it hold VWAP or we sell them back off? How's my headache? Horrible. It is what it is. I'm gonna tough it out, make a bag. Try to. Thanks for asking. I don't take a BC powders, Thomas. They do work. I used to take them, but I don't really take medicine unless I have to. Sing Rocky Top, get the people going. I don't know if they want to hear me sing. It's going all right, Scott. Going okay, slow and steady, you know. I'm just so. I mean, the setup looks decent. If we could get like, if we could confirm like a double top here, I would go short. The reason I can't take the initial touch, it looks like it wants high day, right? We're so close to it, even though we have Asia low point of control lining up at high day. It's just a weird. It's a different setup, right? We have that high day so close, but we also have like very, I guess the word dominant resistance there. So, well, what are we thinking here, everyone? What's the play? I'm not seeing the volume I need to short. I don't see longs at all. No, I haven't taken a trade. If we make a new high day, then we get another sell candle, I'll consider it. I want to see us push the high day, aggressive sell candle. Just we'll be able to tell once we get up there what the move would be. We'll know. If he wasn't so close to high day, I would try shorts right now. A high day's in my mind, messing with me. I feel like it wants it, you know? We're holding above VWAP. We'll see if I was right or not. I guess I was right, but whatever. Keep going. Give us an entry. I would love to have all of you inside Grizzology community. You want the indicator on my screen? Want to join the community chat? All that stuff. Go to grizzlytrades.com, look at Grizzology, use code NQ for half off the first month. I'm done advertising for the morning. There you go. Appreciate that, Mason. Appreciate it. I can't see how many people's on. There we go. There's like I can't see how many people's on YouTube. It's not loading. No, you couldn't. You just have to use TradingView, Nick. That's what it's for. Thanks, Kurt, for letting us know. Kurt said it's touching the bearish fair value gap right now, hourly. Yeah, Spartan, that's what I was thinking. I would say short still, but I don't know. It's sitting here like it wants to push up and get high day at least. So let's see. We could get up there and completely, we completely have to look for a different setup if we get the high volume above Asia low and it looks good for a retest for longs. I would be open to that. I don't care which way we trade. I just want confirmation. I want the charts, screaming at us, say, okay, time to get in. The website, grizzlytrades.com. What? Sounds like a little bullflag here, doesn't it? Kind of trying to break out of it. It'd be crazy to try a bullflag breakout though, right below Asia low and point of control. Dexter, for real. That's weird. That's funny how you thought of that. Most people like, if you could have one superpower, what would it be? Dexter over here. Imagine if you had a superpower where you never take a losing trade. I was looking at the GME chart yesterday, GameStop, and I was looking back, when it pumped at the chart. People that didn't live that will never understand how exciting and fun that was. I know some people were left holding the bag or whatever, but it was just a fun time, right? Was anybody trading during that time? It was just like what? That's what created that and COVID created the day trading era, the flood of day traders. I feel like it's fun times. I made a lot from it. I made good from Doge, but let's be honest with each other. The only thing we had to do to be set right now completely was just buy Bitcoin back in the day and held, or Doge, any of it back when it first came out. That was it. Do I think they'll ever come back? I'm not for sure. Yeah. If you wasn't there, I don't know how to really explain it to make you understand. It's just a good. I guess it just made grinding, working fun. Just keeping up with everything, trying to catch the moves, all that is good time. I was day trading it, so I would just use regular technicals. We got into one trade, and I'm telling you, it was the fastest. I think it may have been the largest day trade I ever took to this day, but instant move contract. The options went up like 300 per contract. Nice. If you're gonna give us a trade, do it, okay? NQ. We don't want to sit here all day. Not really. It's hard for me to recommend copy traders. I tested that one; it's worked, but they're still adding stuff that others have, so I don't want to recommend it yet. Um, I have an affiliate link with one, but I really don't give it out because I'm always hesitant with trade copiers. I let Corey try it. I don't know how'd you do with it, Corey. Was it okay? He's still here. feel like the minute I try shorts, it's gonna rip up the high day. I'm not joking. I made the mistake of I was using a trade copier, learning how I had my accounts linked together. I made a mistake, like me personally made the mistake. Cost me 2,500. I think that was the mistake I made because I made two. I made another one, or I didn't make another one. The actual thing messed up once, and the other time was my fault. But both were big losses. I can't remember if the 2,500 was my fault or their fault, but one was my fault, and it was costly. So, nope, I haven't taken anything. I'm just waiting here. I know this is one of the days I'm being boring, but I'm trying to talk with everyone, you know. Nathan, I haven't been. Have you seen any worth selling on? Any tickers you've been selling on? Options? This is mostly NQ droid, man. Every time I start to trade ES, it just does the opposite of what I want. I was doing well with ES for a while, and it just, I don't know what happened with it. It just something changed or something. My edge was not there any longer. Maybe I just developed the NQ addiction, you know? See, the problem is here, I know shorts look good, but it's just not telling me to get in the trade. Like, I don't see the volume. I could look at the candlesticks, you know, but the volume's not there to tell me. I could still trade SPX options, Dexter. I guarantee you I could still make a bag with SPX options if I wanted to. It's just, do I trade, you know, I don't like to focus on multiple things while day trading. Futures, I like them because they're so easy to execute, right? It's just very easy execution. Basically, like trading stocks. Like if you day trading stocks, options is, yep, CMS, that's right. We did. We used to say the same thing about NQ. We like the ES better. As time goes on, we just adapt, right? We just keep moving forward. We have to adapt, adjust strategies. Sledgehammer, you have not missed anything. Just good conversation. That's it. You see anything, Jadon? Have you caught a trade?
Nope. Only that the only thing I saw I didn't catch was that reversal down there that didn't give us the retest.
Yeah.
We got a bull flag kind of going on here.
I mean, I still see shorts today. I think we're gonna push up, maybe make new high day, then we could look for another short. Unless it just proves me wrong and gives us a long entry above Asia low. But yeah, it does look like we have a flag forming.
Come on,
Give us an entry. Give us something.
give us something, anything. We're begging. Something, anything, something at all.
I say longs are the move, but it's not giving me entry. So, or shorts rather, shorts. That's my guess.
Aston starts his treatment today, Grizzly. I don't know if you heard that earlier.
A what?
Aston starts his treatment for his cancer.
I hope it goes well. He gets better quickly.
Yeah, it's a pretty rare cancer, which sucks, but I've been praying on it and have faith in him.
It's only his lip, right?
Well, it's also the reason he can't just get it cut out is because it's also his lymph node is inflamed. I think it's the lymphoma spread to his lymph node too.
Dang.
Um, so the goal is to try the treatment and see if they can see progress. And then, problem with cutting from the lip is imagine that you had a big tumor on your lip and you had to cut it off. Like there's a lot of risks. There's a lot of bacteria in the mouth. It's wet. And it's just it also makes it difficult for them. It's a tough recovery because it's right on their lip. They have to eat and drink and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
So it's just a tricky spot, man. It's super unfortunate.
Maybe the chemo will work and it just get better, you know?
Yep. Cancer sucks.
Yes.
I was hoping we could get a continue. Oh yeah, we got some M&M.
Jaden was talking about his dog, one of his dogs. Price action is boring.
This is our hype up song for the trade that's coming. One opportunity. Seize every single point you ever wanted. Would you capture the entry?
Alexander, Claude is unbeatable, in my opinion. My humble opinion. Humble opinion. Just not talking much to people this morning that I have to listen to. I got a headache. So that's why. I don't care to talk to you all. I just don't want to hear no noise, you know? Hear any noise. You all see how well it respects point of control? Isn't that wild? It has to be one of the most well respected levels there is. It'll go away eventually. Or it'd take me out, one of the two. Just the candle that does it? What a club they're at than Chat GPT. I mean, I'm no Chat GPT expert, but definitely when it comes to work, I work code. I don't know the exact things it's better at, but I know I find more use out of it, get more use out of it.
Favorite? You didn't miss anything if your system didn't confirm.
All right,
Because it moves up. Sorry, Grizzly, you talking?
I was gonna ask, you think this candle's gonna give us some volume finally?
I'm looking for a long and you're looking for a short.
I'll be open to either, depending on this candle.
Could both be right. I just with how we reversed. I mean, we have only thing is we do have that pre-market trend downwards. It's a tough spot, so I see strong close above these levels. But there's moves up and down every day, guys. Just because a trade or move goes up or down doesn't mean you necessarily missed it. Just didn't have to be a part of it.
Good morning, Kenny. Nice, Luke. Does anyone use the Tradeify? I asked some of the OGs yesterday. I believe it was yesterday. But does anybody use the Tradeify Lightning Funded? The ones where you can skip the eval, so go straight to sim funded. How for those that use it, how do you navigate the 20% consistency with the those accounts? What's your what's the sweet spot for you to when you're trading NQ, M, and Q? Thanks, Emma. I know the consistency on the first pass not ideal. It gets better as you go though if you read the rules. MJS, you're going for 200, 300 a day on it. Yeah, Tradeify is the one with the Lightning Fundish. You can skip the evals. You can just go to my website, use code Grizzly if you try them. What do I base my bias? I mean, when I guess, I don't really care if my guesses are right when I tell you all something like I think it's going to go down, up, because I never know. I just wait till we get to the key levels and wait on confirmation. That's how I trade. I know just, I mean, I can look at the charts from all the experience I have watching them and tell you what I think will happen, but it's just us talking, no more. I try. I struggled there a couple weeks, but we're back. I would say we're doing well in this market. We have a good read. Today's not ideal so far, but what was the delta on that previous candle? Well, I don't know. I'm considering it longs, but I think we should reject that 400 before considering them, though. I feel like the 400 is going to send us back down closer to that point of control. I appreciate everyone, yeah, for helping as always. Group effort here. If you're new to this live stream, we really try to weigh all our input before taking trades if possible. Trader nicknames. Nice, Danny. Happy for you, man. Pass the eval. Just ripping right through that 400. Patience pays every day, every single day. I know we may miss some trades, or some people think we'll miss, we're missing out on trades, but the trades we take are the most obvious ones. This candle could set us up for a 400 long entry. 390, 400 area. That's a classic. What a big move. I mean, come on. On that much volume, just not making it easy on us today. All right.
Go back to like 390, 400 area.
That's what I was about to say.
What do you say, bro?
That's what I was about to say. I'm muted to say I'm going to watch a 400 long entry.
Yep. 360 area stop loss. So 40 points.
Yep. Just quit ripping up.
No. And higher volume. This is textbook 2-bar. This, if you're wondering what 2 bars look like, this is it right here.
I just hope it doesn't do the thing where it pulls back to point of control before continuing.
It just rips us down.
Yeah. It very well could, because you can see it's been respecting VWAP well, too, with VWAP right below it. But if we push down to 400, I'm going to try some longs, everyone. 400 area, stops below the candle, bottom of candle.
Put a limit order in at 400.
I'm going.
When I do that,
401.
I'm also going to put in. What?
So I'm going in at 401 then, in case it bounces before.
I'm also going to put a preemptive stop in at 360. So I put that limit order in there. 359.50.
Come on, stupid.
2-bar, come on. If you wanted the textbook 2-bar to be buying.
TikTok, I have a problem. They restricted my live, so I have to end it and restart it. I will enter longs at 400, but I'm going to turn off the TikTok live and start it right back, okay? Fady, tell me what you was talking about as soon as I restart this. All right. Well, that's a good phone call then. Take them easy. That was well worth it. I don't know. The Asia low retest looks the best still. This fair value gap balance will be in play though, either way. If If we break above pre-market high, though, that will stop me from taking any more trades today. Anytime we do this, break below pre-market low, then pre-market high, a lot of times you just got some trash price action. That's just the truth. I know that from experience. If it does make the move up, a lot of times it's lower volume or whatever. I want to catch a trade. Stick around, everyone. Still would like to catch one. Are you heading out? We'll see you back tomorrow. Nice. Gonna call this land surveyor back as soon as we get off here. Get that set up. Just drinking some water this morning. Pull back. Oh, did you go the wrong? Did you position the wrong side, Thady? You tried to take a short and went long. Is that what you're saying? That 400 area is still the bounce area I'm watching. Hopefully, we just don't hit this high day first, or just the pre-market high rather. Will it give us a trade today? I'm not for sure. But grind it out here every day, regardless. What's everyone having for lunch or dinner today? We going with steak or what we having? We've only had one food conversation this morning, so burgers, nice. Alexander, solid. Wendy's, Mark, come on. At least get a frosty if you go Wendy's, okay? Art of Home said the way it's going now, grilled cheese all week. There you go. Taking the kids to hibachi, nah. That'd be nice and expensive, Danny. Oh, you got a football team to take and feed. Ribs, nice. Veggie salad, tofu. Well, I mean, if that's what you like, tear it up. I love veggies too. I'm not crazy about salads though. I like a house salad. Kurt says, I wish I could afford grilled cheese. I'm looking for noodles, 12 pack of noodles. You're smoking your ribs, nice. I have work I need to do today, but I'm just gonna rest, get caught up on sleep and stuff, and start over tomorrow. You heading out, Max? We'll see you in the morning, alright? This right here looks like we're gonna push down some. I just feel like it wants to mess with me, get that pre-market high, then pull back. If it does that, I will be done though. If we get above pre-market high, I'm done. Done for the day. You can't beat that art of home. Let's be honest. People say what they want. You cannot beat it. I like avocado rolls as well, but tuna avocados the way. Or just like a tuna and avocado roll. You passed the Apex account I gave you. Now it's time for a payout. Lock in that payout, Tatum. You got this. NQ is about to bore me out of this. I don't have any Apex accounts right now. I got to message him. I was supposed to message him yesterday. Let's see. Where is he? heading out, Mark? Well, you see, top choice. What's going on here? Not that I hate it. I'm just talking about it. Let's see what you see. Thank you. Finally pulling back. Come on, keep going. Push down for top choice. Push on down. Nice, Scott. Well, everyone, I think I'm going to call it. It's not pulling back enough to give me entry. I don't want to take anything above pre-market high. The area we watch still. I still think we should watch the 400 if it pulls back at some point. Um, let's see what we do here real quick. Hold on. Looks like it's going to make high day, right? It may do it. I thought it was going to get high day there while I was going to cut out. Trade futures. That candle about made me leave. Excuse me. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. One. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out just a little bit longer. I want to see if we get this bounce. Thought it was gonna make high day. That's why I was about to cut out. Give us that perfect midline bounce. I'm gonna set my stop like 380 on this too if we get in. Okay. You can set it at the bottom of this candle. But I'm gonna go with the bottom of the gap on this. Like 380-ish. All right, Danny. Have a good day, man. I'm gonna trade NQ if I take it. Yes, I trade live every morning. We start around 9:15 a.m. ET. We've been live for 2 hours. I started a little late this morning. I was working on a project, but we've been live for 2 hours, 7 minutes. 2 hours and 7 minutes. Let's hope this when it does push down here, it just don't just shoot straight down. An aggressive sell, rip through everything. Appreciate the follow. This is the last setup I like. I mean, you could watch this area, but if this fails, I'm just gonna cut out. Technically, we could add all the way down to this, but the best entry average possible would be around that 400, 403 to 400. What size will I take? I'll probably just go normal size, regular size, whatever that is for your district. There's not a whole lot of risk on it if we stop at the bottom of the zone. Do it. Jesus. We want it to move, it doesn't. Just froze. No, you haven't missed anything, Daniel. We're still waiting on this bounce. Don't do us dirty. Please do not do us dirty. We could just get into the teens here. I would start my position right here at 417, add the rest around midline. But again, best entry would be midline around that 401, 402. All right, finally pushing down here. See if we get there.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna do this a little differently. Like start my position at 417, add to it around 400, and set my stop at like 380, 380 to 383.
I don't think it's a bad idea. Trade some micros. Just trade a little lighter.
I'm trading NQ. I can't.
Oh, minis. Bro says he's resting it for the biscuit. All right.
Well, the MNQ, I've been having to put my stop loss wider anyways because of the wicks. So
That is also true.
why not just add one at
On the
that?
live account, it's valid. On prop firms, that NQ is dangerous.
Yeah, you about have to use 150Ks. Just taking a sweet time, isn't it? Just,
Come on. Come on. I'm still looking for the longs, guys.
417 start position 400 to 403. I will add the remaining. Stop at 380. 383 if you want to be exact. On the bottom of that zone. Okay.
Come on, Nazdaquita. Come on, Nazdaquita.
All right. You all know what I'm doing here. So if it hits some levels, I will be in. Take them easy. Can I ask you a question? This is you don't have to answer. How old are you? If you want to answer, you can answer. If not, you're 50. No, not not everyone. I talking to take them easy. What strategy do we use? Well, supply and demand would be my go-to, but we trade the orb, trend, supply and demand. What we usually stick with. Yeah, I'm 35. You all know that though. You all already know how old I am. Feel like we've been trading for 3 days this morning. It's live. We've been waiting on this setup forever, feels like. Thanks, Rambo. Yeah, can someone pause the market so we can get some lunch? Come back, please. I feel like if I turned on music in the background, we have a constant argument of what I put on. It's me. I just turn on some like 2000s, 2010 country playlist or something, some rock, or just some uh, white noise, you know. Yeah, we could listen to some rock, occasionally mix it up. I like a lot of different types of music. A lot of people look at me like, you like country, don't you? I'm like, I like it all, you know, to a point. Mm. I think I've had enough trading. Just literally trying to get on the nerves. I've had enough for this morning. Trying to use a little reverse psychology there on N cube. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna do y'all a favor and get off here and hit our bounce area instantly. So just wait for it when I end this live. But I'll catch you all in the morning. Appreciate you all for showing up. If you use code Grizzly today, I would appreciate it. I mean, I do appreciate it. No, it would. Starts moving. As soon as I start to get off here, it starts going down every time. Oh, that worked. The reverse psychology worked. See if we get it. Started my position, like I said. Sorry if everyone left. Started my position on longs. I'll add at 400. What kind of feel did that give me? Horrible feel on that first ad, everyone. I don't know what went wrong. Thanks. Taking me. Started my position like I said I would, everyone. I mean, I was gonna leave, but it literally sold off right when I was about to end the live. Stop is at the bottom of this zone for me, everyone. You can see the zone on my chart, the fair value gap. I added, well, I didn't get filled. Scratch that. I thought I was going to push down, grab my limit there. Have not added yet. A little lower, I'm going to add more. Hopefully did not miss it. What did that push down to? I mean, hopefully, well, if it goes, I'm happy with it, whatever. I was literally going to try it like at 403. Yeah, I'm gaslighting the market. Three right there's my stop. You see it. 382.75 would be where this invalidates. The only other stop you could justify would be at the bottom of the actual candle here. But I'm not risking that much. All right, I added to my position. Just toss me out, I'll just be out. Looks like it's just gonna rip down now, huh? It's gonna get it. Why did my live end? My phone died on TikTok. Oh, is it gonna give me a losing trade? It's close. All right, stop me out. Look great, right? Should have known it was just one of them days. After all that waiting, that's unfortunate. TikTok thinks I just left them hanging. Oh, don't be sorry. You're up nice. You was in way up here. All right. Well, I'm done now. I tried it. Waited on it. We waited on a legit setup. It just fell right through it. Peace, everyone.